Renew and amend your vehicle data ownership easily with RTA tutorials. First, go to the RTA website and log into your account. Click on Licensing Services. However, if your profile hasn't been updated for a while, a pop-up notification will require you to update it before you proceed. Once the update process is complete, select the Vehicles option from the list. Click on Renew Registration. Then, choose the vehicle you want to renew from the list of vehicles registered in your name. Before you move on to the next step, the system will verify the insurance status. If your vehicle needs inspection, you will be asked to have your car inspected. Please pre-book your appointment through RTA's digital channels to avoid an additional 100 dirham fee. Note, senior citizens with Dubai-registered vehicles and people of determination are exempt. You can book your vehicle testing appointment on the RTA website www.rta.ae or through the RTA Dubai app. Once the inspection status is verified, you will be notified that you will be required to clear any pending fines by the end of the procedure. Click on Proceed with selected vehicles to confirm your selection. Moving on. If your number plates are not damaged or lost, you have the option to customize your vehicle's number plates. Or, you can leave them without customization and click Continue. However, if the testing center sends a note that your number plates are damaged or lost, you must customize the number plates accordingly. Next, you must pick a delivery option. RTA offers a variety of delivery options to suit your needs. You can either have it couriered to your address or collect it from an RTA kiosk. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then review all the details before you complete the payment process. To avoid any errors while completing the transaction, please ensure to enter the payment details. And do not leave the session until you complete the transaction, as the session will be put on hold for security reasons. Once the process is complete, you will receive an SMS from RTA. The SMS will contain links to download the digital copies of the new vehicle license card. Or you can go green and download the digital vehicle license card and documents from the RTA website when you finish the process. The RTA services are one click away. Visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.